Okay. Say, all right, Aunt Amy. Amy, that's right. Aunt Amy got the baby some gifts, so we're gonna open them.
The baby.
Yes, just for the baby.
Where's the baby?
I'm gonna kill Kit.
Where's the baby? Sit.
I'm sitting. Okay, we got our first present here.
Where's the baby?
Uh-huh. Okay. You want to hold the camera for Mommy? Here, hold the camera. Nice. Hold still. Put it right there. Can you hold it right there? Uh-oh. Hold it right there. There you go. Hold it. Let it go.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
You can't wave at the camera's video.
I know.
Okay, give it to Mommy.
Where's the baby?
Give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Give it. Oh, you got a card and a gift thingy. Ow.
No.
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 Open it, beautiful. Ooh, where did Aunt Amy get that baby? Oh, home run hitter. She got you baseballs and a bat. Oh God, I'm gonna be hit with that a lot.
What's that?
Uh-huh, she also got you a card. Okay, I think that's your birthday. Huh?
Open.
I love it, hang on. All right, this is your birthday present. Happy birthday to a sweet girl. Look at the teddy and the kitty.
Open it.
I'll open it in a minute. Amy, who just keeps getting nicer every birthday every year. Oh, how little she knows. Happy birthday, Lexi. Sorry this is late. Good thing you're only 2 and probably don't care. Love, Aunt Amy. Okay, can you wave to Aunt Amy?
Hold it.
Well, no, wave to Aunt Amy. Demon child.
Open.
Yeah, I'll open it in a minute. Here, give me that. That's all trash. I'm gonna reuse the box though. That'd be really handy.
Open.
Huh? Mommy, open it? Not yet. We got another one to open. Looky there. Looky there.
Get in here.
Uh-huh.
Get in here.
Okay, hold it open. Ooh. And that looks like a Lexi Christmas present. Go ahead and open it, Pretty Pop. A dramatic gasp, even though you have no idea what it is yet. Oh, God. Does baby have her first laptop?
Open.
Yeah, open it. Oh, what is that? Is that baby's first laptop? Oh.
Let's learn Spanish. It's learning time. It's music. It's learning time.
Sounds like the same voice for your table.
It's music time.
Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you, Aunt Amy.
It's learning time.
Oh, God.
1. Circle. Square.
All right, I'll open it. Say, all right, say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Good girl. Thank you, Aunt Amy.